Mastering your 22-inch Weber kettle using the snake method. The snake method is a long proven technique for achieving low and slow cooking on your Weber kettle. It's perfect for smoking briskets, pork shoulders, and other primal cuts that require extended cook times. Here's how to set it up. Gather your unlit charcoal briquettes, usually about 68, wood chunks for smoke, and charcoal chimney and a fire starter. Arrange your unlit briquettes around the outer edge of the grill, standing them on their ends in a domino-like fashion. Each briquette should be touching the next, ensuring a continuous burn. Leave a small gap at one end for the lighting. If using a drip pan, place it in the middle of the snake. Light 6 to 8 briquettes in your chimney. When those are ashed over, place at one end of the snake, whichever end you choose. Allow about 45 minutes for the grill to heat up, clean your grates, and add your drip pan. Open both vents fully, top and bottom, for good air circulation. If your temp gets over 225 to 50, start by adjusting your bottom vents first. Also note, the snake method can take up to 2 hours to get to its plateau temperature, so don't be in a rush. Add your meat after 185 degrees on your thermometer or more. Ensure that the top vents are opposite the hot end of your snake to pull that smoke and heat across your meat. Benefits of the snake method. The snake method can provide up to 16 hours of continuous cook time without adding fuel. The gradual burning of the briquettes help to maintain a stable, consistent temperature. You'll only need 2 layers of briquettes for an extended cook. This makes it a very fuel-efficient method. The indirect heat generated by the snake method produces smoky and flavorful results for your cook. Tips: use a good quality charcoal, like B&B Competition oak briquettes or something comparable. Ensure your briquettes are touching the grill surface so they remain primed and reduce dirty smoke. No need to monitor the temp regularly. Adjust the vents only if needed. With a little practice, you'll be a pro at using the snake method to create delicious, tender smoked meats on your Weber kettle. Be sure to follow and subscribe, and see us in the next video.